Got the oil leak on the dipstick. Already pulled the tube out. Gonna go with this kit so it doesn't drop anything into the pan. It's supposed to be pretty good. They say to pull the starter. I'm wondering if I should or not. Got the batteries unhooked. Gonna start cleaning it up with some brake clean. Thought about taking the starter off, but that wants to spin the whole stud and I don't really want to deal with that right now. So just taking the nut off. Probably pretty loose like mine. And I just took a 45 caliber cleaning brush and taped some tie wire to the handle. But now they have a tool almost the same, just to hold this piece while you try to do the install without dropping it, because that would suck. Here's the O-ring. It's all swollen up and squishy. Just let that go down there for now. Probably should have cleaned it off a little better before dropping it in the pan, but too late now. So I'll clean up the mating surface up here real good and get back with you. Margin trowel for, get the camera in here, getting the bulk of the junk off. And then I'll take my scrubbing sponge and brake clean and get it a lot nicer. So when you get it cleaned off pretty good, about a little further than the silver is from the old one, I want to carefully try to fish this out of there without knocking it off the tool you made or got from them. But I'm struggling here. Well, I'll get back to you when I get it up out of here. So after fighting it, it would not come back out very easy for me. Re-cleaned it because of course that piece had oil dripping, so let it wiped it off with some rags and cleaned it up with brake clean again real good, and about to fish the gasket and washer and nut over the tool here and get all the silicone all over and snug it up. Finally got all the parts on there. Bunch of RTV, rubber gasket. It's a pretty cool kit. This was homemade, hold everything in. But just gotta snug the nut up and hopefully no more leaks from this spot. All the other spots still leak, but hopefully this one's done. So go until you get a nice even RTV squish. Don't over tighten that. You can strip it pretty easy. Some slip joint pliers and nice squished out. Should seal pretty good. If I got it cleaned up enough. It's a little wider than I had thought, but definitely got right up in here real good several times, so fingers crossed. Now just gotta pull the tool out and get the dipstick put back in. But yeah, see, just a bore cleaning brush and worked pretty good.